Now let us revise. Ma'am, what do we see in rainy season?
We see the clouds, lightning, rain, different kinds of insects, frog in rainy season.
Okay.
And ma'am, what do we like to have in rainy season?
Oh, in rainy season, we like to have hot bhajiyas, hot soup, hot tea and coffee. And ma'am, what do we use in rainy season?
We use umbrellas, raincoats and rainy sandals in rainy season. And ma'am, what else do we see in rainy season? Do you remember?
No.
We see puddles and mushrooms.
Yes.
And children, did you enjoy the concert activity?
And are you making paper boats and putting it in the puddles?
Oh, we do it. Do you? Now it's time for studies.
Children, in your EVS notebook, first give the heading Monsoon Season. Then on the first line, write a rainy day. In the next line, write we see. Now we will draw what do we see in rainy season. So let's start. First we are going to draw clouds. For clouds we are going to make curves like this. We are going to draw two clouds. Draw some raindrops and lightning. Now we are going to draw a frog. For frog first, draw opposite U curve, sleeping line, opposite U curve. Join it with a curve like this. After that, draw curves like this. And for legs, we are going to make up and down pattern. Slanting line, up and down, slanting line. Again, slanting line, up and down, slanting line. And for eyes, draw oval and fill half. Fill it like this. Then for smiley, draw curve and two slanting lines. Now we are going to make the frog sit on a stone. So, draw two curves like this. Now let us draw mushrooms. Leave some space. Curve, join it with the line. Two slanting lines like this. Then join with curves. Draw circles inside this. Then opposite side. Curve, join it. Slanting lines. Join it like this. And circles. Now draw a stone like this. Now let us draw water puddles. For water puddles also we are going to draw curves. We are going to draw two water puddles. And draw curves for water. And we are going to make some grass like this. On the next page, write we use. And what do we use in rainy season? Yes, raincoat. So first we will draw raincoat. Draw an oval, sleeping line, standing line, a short standing line here, slanting lines on both the sides, an oval here, an oval here also, and slanting line, standing lines, and join them with a sleeping line. A standing line in the middle, buttons, and a pocket like this. And what else do you use? Umbrella. Yes, so we are going to draw umbrella. Opposite U curve, short curves inside, join them and curves like this. Up and down on top, then standing line, curve, leave some space, standing line, curve, join here and a button like this. And rainy sandals. For rainy sandals we are going to draw two standing lines, join them with the curve on top and bottom and a curve inside it and two slanting lines. Again, standing lines, curve, another curve, curve inside it and two slanting lines. On the next page, we like to have, first we are going to draw a mug of hot tea or coffee. For that we are going to draw an oval like this. Two standing lines, join it with a sleeping line, Draw curves like this. Draw a flower inside these for decoration. And vapor like this. And next, hot bhajiyas. For that, draw a curve, another curve, two slanting lines, join it with a sleeping line. And for bhajiyas, draw circles like this. And make vapor because they are hot. And we are going to draw corn. So, you slanting lines on both the sides, join them with up and down like this. Then curve, standing lines, join them with a sleeping line and draw circles inside them. Children, keep practicing.
Children, in your EVS book, on page number 6767, the topic of weather is given. Weather means climate. Weather is different at different times. Children, कभी हमें ठंडी लगती है, कभी गर्मी, कभी बारिश होती है, उसे weather बोलते हैं. And here, a rainy day. What can you see in this picture? Yes, dark clouds, and it's raining so heavily. See, people are using umbrella and raincoat. And see these kids, they are playing in the rain. They are enjoying so much. It rains on a rainy day. We use umbrellas and raincoats. Now, on page number 69, playway exercises are given. The first exercise is draw a picture of a rainy day. Children, now you know that how to draw clouds, rain, umbrella, a boy and girl in puddles, and mushroom, frog, etc. So you can draw a picture of a rainy day on your own. Bye-bye.